Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil service light on your BMW X3. First, make sure your car's engine is completely off and the hood is securely closed. Next, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to position 1, which powers the accessories without starting the engine. Then, find the small trip reset button on your instrument cluster, usually near the odometer display. Now, press and hold that trip reset button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. It's important to maintain a steady press. Keep holding it until you see the service menu appear on your dashboard display. You might see Reset or a specific service item like Engine Oil pop up. Once you see this message, indicating you've entered the service mode, you can then release the button. With the service menu active, briefly press the same button to cycle through the options until Engine Oil is displayed. Once you've selected it, press and hold the button again. You'll see Reset appear on the screen. Release the button, then immediately press and hold it one last time to confirm the reset. The display will show resetting and then reset successful. Congratulations, your BMW X3 oil service light is now reset. After confirming the reset, turn your ignition completely off, then restart your vehicle to ensure the new service interval is registered. Remember, this reset should only be performed after an actual oil change. For more great deals and to grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.